Welcome to Data World Solution. Hope you are doing well. We are now going to start new session on data loading concept into Snowflake. And in this video, we will learn about creating a stage and putting file into a stage and types of stage and types of data loading. Okay. So let's get started. Before going forward, please subscribe this channel and like this video if you like this video content. So understand data loading concept. In Snowflake, there is two methods to load the data. First, bulk loading, and second is continuous loading. Bulk loading, most frequent method, loading from the stage and use copy command for data loading into table. And continuous loading uses a small volume of data. It's loaded automatically once they are added to the source. Latest result for analysis available and uses SnowPy, which is serverless. So now let's move to next topic called stage. For loading data into table, we use stage. Simply location of data file where the data can be loaded from. Or more detail, stages serve a location where data file are stored before they are loaded into Snowflake table or after they are unloaded from a Snowflake table. Okay. There is following types of stages: external stages, internal stages. External stages uses external cloud provider. For example, S3 which is S3 storage, which is provided by AWS, Microsoft Azure, which is Blob storage, and Google Cloud Platform. And second is internal stages, which is managed by Snowflake itself and uses local storage. Now let's move to Snow side web UI and create stage. For creating a stage, you can use create or replace is a optional keyword, and after that create use stage and put here stage name. So if I execute this statement, you can see here the stage is created. If you refresh here, you can see here stage. Stage is a schema object and this is my stages where put here stage name. If you want to see detail of a stage, use DSC command, which is describe after that stage, after that fully qualified stage name. Control enter to execute this statement and you can see here the stages properties. Okay, by default CSV properties, and this is the by default properties. I am not any defined, we will learn later on upcoming video. You can see here. Now if you want to load the data, go to database, go to manage DB schema, no, where I created, yeah, this one. Go to my DB stages and this is the my stages. Enable table directory. Now you can add file, browse. This is one method. In browse you can load up to 50 MB data file. Okay, so I am loading this loan payment dataset into stage file. I load this file into stage. Click upload at the bottom side here. You can see here upload. Now file uploaded. Okay, and another method is you can use SnowSQL to load the file. Okay, by using put command. So using a SnowSQL, opening CMD. Now if you want to find your account name, you can use select current underscore account to show your account name. This is my account name AF89648. Please do not use my account name. Okay, if you want to find the region, this is the region, and here I am using AP dash southeast dash 1 for logging into a SnowSQL. So here write SnowSQL minus a your account name, after that you, and data world solution is my username, and after that put here, let's wait. Yeah, now put here your password, user password. Okay, we log in into SnowSQL. Use my use database and my DB, which is my database, uh, which is placed my stage. Okay, use schema. What schema I am using? My stage schema. First write here schema. After that my stage schema, semicolon. We are set here my DB and my stage schema. Now you can use this command put. After that your put here file and 3 forward slash. After that you put here file, your file location. This is my file location. Okay, you can copy here and paste here, and now this is my file, and we already load loan payment data file into stage. So another we have file data set 1, so I am putting here 1 into my. For loading into a stage you have to put at the rate my stage name. So go to here and simply run this command. We are getting error here, my stage does not exist. Let's check. Put here fully qualify stage name. Now the file is loading into a stage. Okay, here I am using S and here I am not use S, so it's give error. Now if you want to load all file, then we can use simply load and start to load all file which are placed in this directory. So here I am use remove S. Okay, now run this command to load all file which are qualify for this wildcard loan dot start 3 file loaded, because we put here loan dot start to load all this file. If you want to list all file, you can use remove first S. These 4 file loaded into internal stages. Okay, if you want to drop this schema, you can use drop. If you want to drop this stage, you can use drop stage command, and after that your my DB, this is a schema and this is your stage name. So simply execute this statement to drop this. If you refresh this, here stage is drop. So that's all about in this video. In next video we will learn about copy command. So please stay tuned, please subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.